So today what I will do, I will tell you a short technique on checking if you have a given array, how can you check duplicacy in that array. Let's say for example, if you have an array like students ID, and your given ID is 1, 2, 2 and again 1 and 3. You have to say that if there is any duplication or not. So if this is a problem set, and if you need to say if your array contains any duplication or not. So my approach was to just theoretically I am solving it first. So let's say for example, if we find out the unique array first, this is our given array, and if we make this array unique, then these will be like this. So now what I will do on second step, I will check the length of this unique array. I will now check the length of this unique array with the actual one. And what that will return us. So if the actual array's length is not equal the unique array's length, then we can say that our array, the initial array, contains duplication. So the logic is pretty simple. If the actual array is like this, and if we make a unique array out of this given array given on line number 4, if we make unique array another array like this, then we can easily say that the length of these two array, unique array and the given array, is equal. If this is the case, we can easily say that this array doesn't contain any duplication. This is pretty straightforward. So let's write the code and see if that is working or not. So let if duplicate, let's say for example, what are the ways we can make this array unique, students ID array unique? There are several ways. So one, we can use by declaring a new set student ID. This will give us a length. Then we can return true. That means this array contains duplication. If that is true, that means this array contains duplication. Or if that variable returns false, then you can easily say that this array doesn't contain any duplication. So what I will do, I will log if duplicate array contains duplication, otherwise no duplicates. So I will run this program to see the output. Let's see. Not check if duplicates. We can easily say that this array contains duplication. If we make this array like this, it should print the other one, no duplication. This is pretty much it. This is the shortest and fastest way and easiest way in JavaScript to check if there is any duplication or not. So another way is you can declare object, count object, and you can make ID and count likewise. ID will be the values and the count will be the counting of each values. That is, you will increase one by one. And if any count is greater than 1, that means your array contains duplication. That is another way. So you can also argue with me that this will fail some of the edge cases. So let me know if it fails any cases. In that case, I will also learn from you. Thank you very much. And this is pretty much a commonly asked question or used techniques in any JavaScript, or especially speaking any programming interview, that you may need to find the duplication. Out of the duplication, there are some other logics as well. This is pretty helpful on interview time. So hope you guys understand what I have written in that code. And if you don't understand, please let me know in the comment section. I will just giving you more details on that question. Thank you everyone.